Yes, trading is extremely similar to fishing, and once you see this, your results change forever. Here's the perfect analogy. Trading equals fishing. You don't catch fish randomly, you don't enter trades randomly. You wait for the right spot. Just like you wait for the right setup. You use the right bait. Just like you use the right strategy. You're patient in fishing. Just like in trading. You don't chase moving fish, just like you don't chase breakouts. You let the fish come to you, just like you let price come to your level. Why most traders lose? Most traders are like people, running around throwing hooks everywhere, chasing every splash, jumping into the water after fish. They scare the fish away, just like chasing price scares away profits. Smart traders fish differently. They know where fish live, support zones, wait quietly, let fish swim into their trap, only pull the line when conditions are perfect. That's smart money trading. The golden rule: you don't catch fish by chasing them. You catch fish by being in the right place with the right bait at the right time. Same with profits.